How's it going, everyone? This is just crazy that I literally had NAAS at 1.46. This is absolutely crazy, and I look I look like an idiot for selling it. Like near the $2 range. I look like this is insane, right? But I stuck to my plan here, and yeah, it is what it is. But I'm going to show you guys the chart, and I still made way over 20%. But as you can see, this thing just blasted off, and that's why sometimes it's great to like scale out, right? Yes, you could go back to your average and you could lose it all, but it's like a hit or miss, right? So here's NAS chart, and this is why it was so extremely bullish. Anytime you see with my system price just hugging this bottom band here for quite some time like this, it's down to like blow off from here. And here's the thing, we did not take it just right in here. Yes, I got a little lucky getting like really down at the bottom, like 1.46. That was a pretty lucky. But here's my thought analysis of how I got really close to the bottom here. So, and here's the EMA5 is here. I knew I had to wait for time distance. It wasn't just like, oh, it hit the bottom band, which is an ATR4, and anybody knows to my system, that is a buy zone. I don't just get in right away. Because sometimes you can see this kind of pattern where it hugs it. But if it does this, this is extremely bullish. Like right in here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You guys remember the magic number for penny stocks that have not hit EMA 5 is 7 daily candles. And that's what we got. And that's kind of how we got really close to the bottom here. So this was a very nice bullish thing I saw. And with my system, we could easily get out at the EMA 5 because that is usually where it pumps to. And it could have easily rejected and went down lower and then hit the 10. But this thing went from 5 to 10 to 20 all in 3 days. And that is where you're going to get absolutely the most gains possible. So with this system, it's very accurate. A lot of people were back holding this thing way up in here. Way up in here and just kept dropping and dropping and dropping. But after a while, this thing has to do a reversion to the mean. It just has to. Every stock goes and hits the EMA 20. And as you can see, the last time we hit the EMA 20 was in May 10th. And that's this blue line here. Guess what we do? The algos complete the mission and we hit the EMA 20 and it can do whatever it wants from here. We don't know where it's going to go, but it's going to go one way or the other. And as you can see, the bands expand each way when the price makes a big move like this, because that means it's very volatile and it's going to go big or down one way minute touches the EMA 20. It could consolidate for a bit, but we'll see. So the last time I played this was right in here because as you can see, we haven't had an EMA 5 touch in a while. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This 8th candle was the one below the ATR4. And look what we have here. A nice bullish candle for 20% plus another 5. It was probably 10%. This was like a 30% move right in here, making you massive returns. But if I do, I mean, this was insane, guys. The high was 6.44. If we look at the percentage change calculator, you can look at 1.46, and let's just say we got it around 6.44. That's a 341% move. I had this thing at 1.46. Oh my gosh. Oh, I could have like made this one trade and like stopped trading for the whole year. But yeah, that's what I'm saying. Next time, if you guys ever see this, and I'm saying this to myself, if it's tugging like this, at least aim for the EMA 10, as this right here is very doable. You have 30% here. I aim for the EMA 5, which gave around close to 30%, and then the EMA 10 was another 60%. That's 100%, and then this was just the massive move it just made. Very nice move. Anybody that's in NAAS, congrats. If you are thinking about getting it in now, be very careful. This is not an area I would. It already moved. So the EMA 20 it's at right now, it can easily go back down. I just want to recap on it because it's running again. It's up 61%. Oh gosh. I'm happy that it's running, but it's like, it almost feels like a loss. I'm like, I had this thing at 1.46, and I'm going to show you too, like swing trade alerts. Right here. if you go to my Discord, if you're a part of my system, you see my alerts here. I alert people. I said limit order to buy NAAS 1.46 at 7:05, July 5th, 1:03 p.m. You can see the date and timestamp. It looks ready with a K of less than 2. And so right here, we're going to go back to July 5th. I had it right here on the 7th day magic candle. This candle right here, that was the 7 daily candle of not touching the EMA 5. It had a K of 1.99. So look at this. Look at this thing right here. Where my arrow is, look at the K, 1.99. That is extremely oversold. I love the KDJ. It will never go to 0. It's a very nice stochastic oscillator. It's one of the best in my opinion, and you can get very precise entries. So, yeah, congrats to everyone. I just wanted to say, like, yeah, this way here was a 300% from the low, from where I got it. And then I tell everybody where I'm holding it and all that. And so this is a very nice Discord. If you guys want to join the premium Discord and have these alerts, know the system, use it for yourself, and be like, okay, it's hugging this. This is very bullish. It hits 7 daily candles. It's a Chinese stock, so it can pump even more. And as you can see, our targets were hit, the 5, 10, and the 20. Very nice trade. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, click the link down below in the YouTube comments. It'll be pinned. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. And when you click that link, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. All you have to do is head on over to the server shop up in here, and you'll see Swing Trading Plus and Day in Swing Trading Plus. These are the 2 services I offer, depending on your personality. Obviously, the Day in Swing Trading Plus gives you the most value. You unlock all these channels. You get day trade alerts, you get swing trade alerts, you get my RTK journal, live streams coming. So the Day in Swing Trading Plus is $12 a month, and do it on your computer. It is slightly cheaper. And you'll avoid the iOS fee, and it's very great value. It's very nice. As you can see, we have a community right here. Everyone, people find trades, people help out. Here's the day trade chat, and most importantly, you can see my RTK journal, where you can see this, and you click my link, and you can see my active trades with my wins and losses to prove that I have an over 95% win ratio, and it's always improving, and it's just always it's just been a nice system, guys. So I hope you guys, yeah, just use this. See examples after examples after examples with my strategy. Remember, the 7 daily candle rule is really nice for penny stocks, especially with a low K on the KDJ, and massive time distance of the EMA 10 and 20 is what really made this thing just pump big time. And of course, we have this real rejection, and then we decide to pump back from there. But the entries to get with the low risk, high reward was definitely right in this area here, and it was just nice. So I hope you guys made massive money. I know I cut myself short on that. I'm definitely always learning to scale out better, especially with China stocks. They can pump really big. And we always had that fear, like, oh, what if it goes back down to our average, and we could have made 30%, and then it goes back down, and then we could have got a better average. That's just part of trading. Trading is very psychological. It's very hard. You can't say what ifs, right? You just take the game, be happy with it, and move on to the next trade. And that's why I want to give to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll post more videos that I like. I try to post videos on YouTube on trades that I do like. I did post a video on NAAS that I was very bullish. If you guys were not a Discord member and you just saw that, you could have made some money, but obviously you're not going to get my exact entries and my exact exits based on what I think is appropriate. So that's when joining the Discord is important. If you guys like the video, give it a like, subscribe, comment. Good luck to everyone in NAAS. I hope you guys make massive money, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.